Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this Grizaye coloring kit. Grizaye did send this to me to review, and I've actually had it for quite some time. They sent it to me alongside their new, where did I put it? This recipe book, which shows you a bunch of different color combinations and what they call blooms. And I did do a video on this handy book, and actually I made a whole playlist of Grizaye stuff that I've either reviewed or I've colored with the pencils. It's all together in a nice playlist. So I have some videos coloring with the pencils. I have some product review videos because I do like these pencils a lot. I do like the company a lot. It's a small business and they have been diving into some different areas. They are the same creators behind the Colored Pencil magazine. They're getting a little bit more into the coloring scene, the coloring community scene. So let's take a look at this coloring kit. It's called the Garden Hideaway. I think they just actually came out with another one, but this is the first one they've ever released. And it's $14.99, I think. The last time I checked it was $14.99. And it comes with a colorless blender, which these usually go for a pack of two, $12.99. So that's like a $6, about a $6.50 value right there for the blender alone, alongside everything that comes in this kit. It comes with two coloring projects. I accidentally, when I was going through the papers, I got some nail polish from my red nail polish rubbed off on the paper. But what I think might remedy that situation is they have some transfer images you can add to the project, which I think is cool. I haven't seen that before. I think it's nice idea. Maybe we'll put one of the birds in that corner and cover that up. And it comes with this transfer paper. I think I want to work on this one. The paper these projects are on is Warm White Stonehenge. That's the paper they use on pretty much all of their projects. This one in particular didn't come with the colored pencils, but I do have the full set of 72 plus some more from some other kits. So you don't necessarily have to use their colored pencils for this. You could always match up your own colored pencils, or you don't even have to. If you don't want to, you can use your own color combos. Use your imagination and pick different colors. They don't actually have the numbers on the paper. They have it on this color map. So I like that idea. Usually when you get something that's colored by numbers, you're stuck with the numbers showing through, but this kind of, you can make it your own. So we're going to follow the map for this one, and we're going to see if it's easy to follow. It looks pretty easy to follow. I did do a review on, they had a drawing kit, and I did think that was left a little bit up. It was a little bit fuzzy on the directions just because they didn't have all of the numbers exactly mapped out. So I do like that this is more explanatory than the drawing kits they have. So let's get started, and yeah, we'll do some coloring, probably speed it up, do some time lapse, and then when I'm done with the page, we'll come back and I'll give you my thoughts and opinions on this coloring kit. All right, you guys. So I did some coloring on this coloring project. This is the Mama Bunny. And I do think this is very beginner friendly, especially if you are new to coloring and you might not have your own coloring style yet. I think this is a good like kind of building block to that. I did find it pretty easy to follow, and I really do appreciate the coloring map, and I had the most fun coloring these strawberries. I would like just one whole page of practice sheet of strawberries. I would be into it. I kind of regret my placement of this bird now in hindsight, because it kind of looks like he's going for the attack on this little mama bunny. I probably should have put it over here. I think it is a very cool idea to have the extra images to place on your coloring page. I think they sell this on its own on their website, which I never even occurred to me to do something like that, where you could take any image. This is not any sort of special paper. It's just regular paper. You could print something out, and if you wanted to, say you had too thick of a paper to put in your printer, like I personally do, like if you want to do something on watercolor paper, that's a good idea to be able to transfer that. I think this would be good for even a kid, like maybe like 10 to 12 plus age range. This recipe book is also very handy to coincide with the kit. It does give you a brief little synopsis here on how to do it, on how to bloom in the kit too as well. I think they actually sold out on this recipe book, and they have to do reprints. And I think they're going to do it on different uncoated paper, because I think they got some feedback that maybe this is not the best kind of paper to color on. So that's good. I do like that they listen to feedback. They're very receptive. I'm going to finish this up. I got tons of other things I've been coloring. This one I've been working on with the Grizaye pencils. In particular, I have a few videos in that Grizaye playlist. I will pop the card in for that playlist. You can take a look at it in the description box. I'll leave all the links where you can get this kit and whatever else I showed you. And if I did forget to mention anything, sometimes I make these videos and I'm like, oh shoot, I forgot to mention something. I'll try and put it in the description box, or if you have any questions for me, you can always leave them in the comment section. So I hope you guys all have a really great rest of your day. Happy coloring, and I'll see you next time.